This is a stapler. Every time you click it, you get a free wish, but something bad happens.
Yeah. Oh, I have to hide this. Well, I'm gonna go play outside.
Hello class, welcome to Walter White, Batman, Oppenheimer, Sigma, Skibidi, Young, Sheldon, Joker, Mewing, Riz Edits class 101. Do you have any questions so far?
Teacher, how can I make my own Riz Edits?
Shut up!
Bathroom?
Not quite my tempo.
Gooning!
What's this? Stapler.
Oh, what happened? I failed!
Oh wow, what's this? A free wish, but something bad happens to another person? Controversial. Gee, what do I want? AirPods. Oh wow. I wonder if something bad happened.
Yo, why do you have a stapler in the bathroom? What are you, stupid?
No bro. It's a stapler. You click it and you get a free wish, but beware, something bad happens after that.
Give me that stapler.
What are you gonna do?
You know what I want?
What?
I really wish for him.
Oh gosh.
So what's been going on in your class lately?
Oh, nothing much. Did y'all watch the Bull game last night?
You fool, there ain't no bull game last night. Yeah, you idiot.
Dude, I feel like this earth is shaking.
Same to here, dog.
Whoa, Bessie!
Oh, if it could be an earthquake!
No, I want him. I want him. I want him. Where is he? Where have you been?
The bathroom. Trust me, please. Like, no.
You missed the two biggest bullet points of Riz Academy 101. Where my hug at? I bet you don't even know who to say that to. What grade are you in?
Junior.
He's not even a senior. Unbelievable. Not even a super senior yet.
Next year, okay? Please, next year.
Next year. He's gonna be next year.
Yes.
You sure? You sure?
I'm gonna fail
What
all my
about
math.
that? What about that?
I'm gonna fail.
Guess who? Go to the principal's office and take your skivvy stapler with you.
Right here.
Yo, I can't believe that dude got kicked out of class. What an idiot.
Oh, right. I mean, who gets kicked out of class?
That dude has 0 riz. He's gonna get nowhere in life. Unlike me.
We beat this thing too. They were okay.
And done. Go to the other office. Come in.
The principal will be with you shortly.
I hate doing taxes. What is it this time?
Use it again.
You know what? Give me that. I'll take that, and you can go do my taxes. You're expelled.
Fine.
No. Wonder what this does.
Hey, how are you, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Honestly, I don't feel too safe in this Boeing airplane. I might talk to the authorities later.
I am so proud to be the first female pilot of Sprite Airlines. Why is it so foggy out? Is that a mountain?
This is stupid anyway. It doesn't even work. Guess I'll start checking the news now.
Newscasters, I'm Annabelle. And I'm Jane. Breaking news! A plane had just crashed into the side of a freaking mountain. And there was a level 5 earthquake!
What happened?
Where's my stapler?
What's up?
What's up, bro? You
Who's
playing Fortnite?
No. Who's in Paris?
Who's in Paris?
I don't know.
I think it's. I don't know.
I don't know, man. I don't think I wish I wasn't a friend anymore.